I'm back with Ocado bringing such a favourite near instant supper, which I call Korean Keema. The Korean element is supplied by this incredible flavouring. It's gochujang. I've spoken about it and written about it so often. It's a red pepper paste which also has soybeans in it, fermented. So you get a tremendous amount of funkiness as well as depth of flavour and sweetness. It has everything and, of course, heat. After the gochujang, some soy sauce, and now some rice wine and honey, just to balance the heat and the saltiness. I'm going to stir these together. Now, this is in effect a marinade for some turkey mince. Keema is a wonderful Indian dish of mincemeat, normally lamb, spicy, and I've borrowed it for this dish. And I know I said near instant and also marinade. The marinade is only need for steeping purposes for about 5 minutes. It's like magic. So while the mince is having its speedy steeping, I shall slice these salad onions. Right, salad onions are sliced. The turkey mince is steeped and I can fire up a wok. So my wok is hot, needs just a small amount of oil, ground nut or vegetable. Give this a bit of a turn around, just because I like a bit of a swirl. And now these salad onions. And joining them, got some frozen petit pois thawed. These don't need very long, couple of minutes. If you were using a frying pan rather than a wok, you might need to give them a bit longer. And now my very vibrant in flavour as well as colour, marinated mince. Right. I'm going to ease them together. It's so effectively non-stick, it doesn't want to join the peas at first, but I'm encouraging the two to play together nicely. I've got a bit of marinade left in the bowl and I don't like waste. So I'm adding a little bit of cold water so I can mix in and scrape down this bowl, and then a little more rice wine. And in it goes. In with that, give it a good stir till everything is piping hot again, so there's a little bit of sauce. And over there I've been cooking some sushi rice. You just have to follow packet instructions or have whatever rice you want. A ladle or 3 of spicy mince. And this Korean Keema is a mid-week dinner lifesaver. Incredibly quick, but also this is just incredibly delicious. I'm going to give myself some of this sauce. And for me, some chopped coriander. And you can find the recipe for my Korean Keema over on ocado.com/Nigella.